Genuine. So let's continue with the part second of the chapter Anne Frank, The Diary of a Young Girl by Anne Frank. Paper has more patience than people. Here, Annie thought that the paper have more and much more capacity to observe thoughts than the people. People have low patience levels, but the piece of paper, being non-living thing, would not refuse from the observing her thoughts. This is a realization come to her one day when she was feeling more sad and confused than usual. She could not even decide whether to go or to stay at home at the time. This time was her struggling time when she was very much confused with whom she can rely or with whom she cannot. And the and she said being depressed in the deep thought again she thought that the paper had more patience and she decided to write everything comes in her mind because she did not intend to making someone read it unless she found real friend or a real or by a real friend she meant with a friend whom she could share all her secret. She just found that there is a no real friend in the among the people, so she just find the diary as a real friend, and she meant with it. She said that in her diary of her thought of the beginning to write it because of she is lonely and has no friend to talk to. Here, the word lifeless means with a no energy and no interest, and the brooding means engaged in or showing deep thought about something that make one sad, angry, or worried. And prompted means here it's about the provoke means encourage something to anger, provoking something. Let me put in more clearly, since no one will believe that 13 years old girl is completely alone in the world. Yes, here Anne goes to explain why she feels she need for a friend or she is alone, because she may thought that कि in no one can believe that in 13 years old how can anybody is alone and no have any and don't have any friends. uh, Nobody is going to believe her, which is practically she is not, because she has a loving family near about 30 people she can call their friend, her friend, loving aunt, and a good place to stay. This epic a clear picture of a happy family and a happy person, but that one thing that lacks in her life is the presence of two friends with whom she can share everything. She does have a good time with friends. They talk about stuff, but not real stuff, but not real thing, the real fact actually going on their lives. They didn't spoke very true to her, and despite of trying hard they are unable to get closer. She feels that maybe it was her who is not able to trust anyone with her private stuff, that she is not able to come any close to her friend. She feels that the current situation that cannot be changed, and thus she needs to write something, and she needs to write her feelings in the diary. Here, the confide word used to tell the personal things privately or to a person that one trusts. Means you can spoke to the personal thing to the one you can trust. Like her, Annie told everything to her diary. That's why she trusted. To enhance the image of this long awaited friend in my imagination. Yes, here she is not taking it as a living thing. She just take it her diary, her kitty, like her own friend, like a real human being, like a real person along with her, with whom she can trust and rely. And she don't want about the former other author just want to write something about, if they want to write something they just write the former details in a former manner, but she don't want to do that. This is because she wanted to give her need for a friend a shape, and thus she decided the name is Kitty, hoping that someone would read her diary one day. If someone read her diary one day, she thought that writing without giving details about the background story would be ineffective. She just thought about it is not effective, it is ineffective when she didn't put her background on this diary. So, despite not wanting to do so, she gives brief detail about her life. I would like to show your interest on her photos to connect you with the period of time when she belongs to. Like this is the photo of her, and this is the duration. This is the time of the duration when things going around. This is the time of Second World War, and this is the way of the people how they rush for their survivings, how they rush for their livings, and she put it on her diary also in June 8, 1942. So much has happened. It's as if the whole world had suddenly turned upside down. How much sorrow, how much sadness, and how much disappointment in this word only her. She just expressed the things that she had a lots of desires, lots of things to do, lots of dreams, but all run just because of the world war, just because of the one of the like craziest thing, the one of the like this the racial war, the war between the Jewish and the Dutch, the Nazis. So this is her all things spoiled just because of the war. She not only her, as the lots of children, the lots of people of that time, they just faced it. She just not put only her thought. She just not put her about her in this diary. Just she just shows everything in her diary, that what she and people like her facing the situation of that time. One of the wisest and the most moving commentaries on war and its impact on human being that I have ever read. Yes, this is the wisest and most moving commentaries on war. This is when you read about this, you just feel that you feel it. We have read the lots of journal, lots of books about the war, but this is the wisest because this is the 13 years old girl child diary, and she express her thoughts, express her experience, express her desires, and express how she's surviving with and how she's struggling, and that's why its impact with every human being, on every human being. And it is the, you know, that it is the world's famous, most famous journal in the world, which is the means most readable and most readed the journal, and most famous. And this is written by the Eleanor Roosevelt in her introduction, the diary, introduction to the diary of a young girl. She gave the introduction of the diary of the young girl. I hope you can connect yourself. I hope you can connect the period of time which she was living and surviving. Thank you.